Alright, so we are currently updating our car to 2022 20.6. We just installed the yoke steering wheel in our car as well. Very excited. I'll be doing a video about that shortly. We'll just let that update, let it do its thing, and we'll come back when it finishes updating. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we have the update completed. So we do have a lot of new things here. First thing that we have here is the seatbelt system enhancements. So there's some safety improvements. This enhancement builds upon your vehicle's superior crash protection, blah, blah, blah. Your seatbelts basically will now begin to tighten and protect properly restrained occupants earlier in a wider array of frontal crashes. Obviously, there's no really way for me to test this safely, so I'm not going to try to test this. I'm just going to take Tesla's word for what it says it is. I'm not going to go ahead and try to get into car crashes to try to test out this seatbelt system. Now, the next one is something that I'm really excited about. So, green traffic light chime. A chime will play when the traffic light you are waiting for turns green. If you're waiting behind another vehicle, the chime will play once the vehicle advances, unless traffic-aware cruise control or auto steer is active. When I got a loaner car from Tesla a while ago when my car is in service, one of my favorite features that I noticed and I loved about full self-drive was I noticed that I would get notification chimes. Guilty enough, admittedly. Sometimes I'll be looking at a phone or I'll be replying a text and the light will turn green and I would get this little chime notification notifying me that the light has turned green. I find that super useful, so I'm super excited to test this out in a little bit. The next one, tire configuration, just a miscellaneous improvement. You can reset the learn tire setting directly after a tire rotation, swap, or replacement to improve your driving experience. So you can actually run a configuration after each tire rotation replacement to optimize your drive. I am unfortunately unable to test this because I haven't done any tire rotations or any replacements recently, so I can't wait to go out and try out some of these features. I'll talk to you guys in a moment. So upon checking, you do need to turn on this new setting called green traffic light chime. So this is definitely one of my favorite features when I had the full self-drive loaner model, so I'm going to turn this on and I'm going to try this out at the next red light. By the way, yoke steering wheel video coming out next. I finally got yoked and I'm super excited. I love it. Make sure you're subscribed and like the video. Hit the bell notification icon so that you guys get notified when I drop those videos. Alright, so we are at the next red light and we do have the green traffic light chime turned on. I don't have any autopilot or anything turned on right now. I'm waiting for the red light. Let's see what happens. I don't know if you guys heard it. That little chime went off and I knew that my traffic light had turned green. So overall, I'm very happy with this update. This was definitely one of my favorite features on the Model 3 loaner that I had got with the full self-drive. A quick test of me being in the front lane with nobody in front of me. We're gonna test out if it's gonna chime. It's about to turn green here. And there it is. So I love this feature. This is a really good feature. I'm glad Tesla brought this out to non-FSD cars. So that's it for the video, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one. This is David here signing out. Bye.